the lead architect is Jeannie Gang
Camera to.
Studios, and she loves her wavy aquatic themes.
Hi.
That's her artistic style.
Hindi ba ko?
Now,
Hi,
if
Salen.
you look up near the top of it, you're going to see a couple floors.
Hi, hi. Gabara.
there. It is normal for super tall skyscrapers to sway back and forth a little bit. Better to bend than to break, but you want to keep it in control. And one way to do that is to create a blow-through floor, to just let some of the wind blow right through it, alleviating pressures caused by high winds up there. How did she get that beautiful, sleek, wavy shape? Well, she designed it with the shape of alternating truncated pyramids as they worked their way up, and it was accentuated with 6 different shades of blue glass. Just a beautiful building. The top 2 floors of this middle section sold as one condo unit for a cool $18.5 million just a couple years ago. Nice Kickstarter home for somebody out there. 191 rooms, which should be up and running very soon. I'm sure they'll also be very reasonably priced. Now, speaking of room and everything, it's very nice. This building that juts out at an angle here is shaped like a large triangle. This is our